Acumatica for formula and recipe management. Managing formulas and recipes can be challenging for manufacturers of food, chemicals and coatings, and pharmaceuticals. Historically, these folks have needed to develop and manage formulas offline and then translate them into a bill of materials an ERP system can understand. Here are the top 5 ways Acumatica allows you to develop and manage formulas within the context of the end-to-end process manufacturing solution. Master routing structure. Acumatica's master routings feature allows you to manage the standard flow of production sequencing in a single place. Many companies produce similar products with different formulations through the same process. The master routing allows you to set the standard defaults across many formulas and then connect that to the formula itself as you create new formulas. You can easily inquire about which formulas are using this master routing and, like most areas of Acumatica, review changes to the master routings by user, date, and timestamp. Unit of measure conversion and material management. Material management can frequently be challenging within a formula structure, mainly when you produce the same product in different sizes. Acumatica allows you to decide on a case-by-case basis how you'd like to create and manage the formula. For example, you can determine if you'd like to configure the formula for use by identifying specific units, weight, or volume. This flexibility is all possible due to the unit of measure conversion engine down to the raw material level. Once configured, Acumatica will help you build formulas and calculate theoretical density through the formulation process. Packaging bills of material. Since the system is built for clients with batch production, the formula record is different than the bill of materials, which allows you ultimate flexibility to produce various sizes of the same product, yet still capture the cost and routing steps related to packaging. Acumatica doesn't force you to jerry-rig your formula and packaging in a single discrete BOM like other ERPs. Here, you can natively manage your formulas while satisfying the critical bottling, packaging, and encapsulation requirements. Embedded QMS. The formula supports your internal quality control process in a single integrated workflow. At the point of item and formula creation, you'll identify quality checkpoints within the process steps for a specific formula. Acumatica's quality management system will generate QC orders as configured within the formula structure at the appropriate time. Dashboards, alerts, and other reporting tools native to Acumatica allow companies to streamline communication about the quality steps and track all inventory movement using cradle-to-grave lot or serial tracking. There is also a place to create boilerplate instructions within the formula. For example, to enforce cleaning a line for allergens before initiating the production process. These keys to successful batch production don't need to reside outside of the system, since Acumatica brings the inventory, production, and quality control features together in a single integrated platform. Physical property analysis and the laboratory module. Your physical property analysis doesn't need to happen offline or in a spreadsheet disconnected from the system. The Acumatica Lab module and physical property analysis tool allow users to examine the physical properties of a formula, resize the formula ingredients, and adjust one or more materials to achieve the desired value for the formula's physical properties. The formula and its calculated properties are displayed side by side on an easy-to-use interface, which helps make the what-if experimentation fast and accurate. Are you interested in exploring how you can manage your formulas and batch production in Acumatica? Click this link to learn more and speak to our formulation experts.